Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Talk about a time when you helped someone with their work or studies. You should say, when was it? Who did you help? How did you help them?
Sure, I can describe a time when I helped someone with their work. It was last year when my younger brother was struggling with his math homework. He had a big assignment due the next day and was feeling overwhelmed by all the work he had to do. I could see that he was stressed and frustrated, so I offered to help him out. We sat down together at the kitchen table and I began to walk him through the problems step by step. We started by reviewing some of the basic concepts and equations that he was struggling with. I explained each one to him in a way that he could understand and gave him some simple examples to help him practice. As we continued to work through the problems, I could see his confidence growing. He was asking more questions and was able to solve the problems more quickly and accurately. We worked together for several hours until he had completed the entire assignment. By the end, he was feeling much more confident and relieved. He thanked me for my help and said that he couldn't have done it without me. I was happy to be able to help my brother out when he needed it. It was a great feeling to see him succeed and overcome his struggles with math. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.